Hello everybody, this is a short video to show that our Arcade Crystal coffee grinder is in working order and just give you guys a little better idea of everything that's on it. No chips, none of the threads are messed up, original lid. There's a small kiss on the rim here of this jar, doesn't affect anything. The lid, threads on. Wanted to quick show you here, spring, plenty of tension, no chips on the catcher. Holds perfect. Give you guys this part. Threads in, stay still, sturdy. The back, perfect condition. Wall hanger still attached. Now for the fun part. You can see it's got smooth action, turns freely. And that, my friends, is an antique coffee grinder in perfect shape.